Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? This is Amber. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my A-line shirt. So the tailor gave me this, and this is kind of like simple. And I want to give it a very nice look with a very nice white lace. So today I'm going to show you how to sew white lace with needle. Okay, this is the simple look, so I'm gonna show you the next look when I will apply lace on it. Keep watching. Alright guys, now I'm going to sew this lace with this simple net shirt. So always start with your shoulder line and always use the same thread color with the lace color, the same as lace color. So let's start this from here. It's not very difficult. You just need to be very careful when you stitch it with needle. Always use the same color of the lace. Always use the same color of the thread. And see, it is the same color like lace color, so it's not visible. So my needle is getting stuck, but it's not that difficult. Anyone can do it. Okay. Start stitching from the corners so that this will get balanced properly. See, the color is the same, so no one can see like someone has stitched it with the machine or with the needle. You can sew it like this. See, you can see. You can always make your dresses beautiful with laces, beautiful laces, embroidered laces. Okay guys, if your neck is round, so you need to stitch from this corner first and then from this corner to give it a right round shape. So keep sewing like this. Just keep the lace on the round corner properly. Alright guys, now I will stitch this lower side. I have already stitched this side, and it was easy to do that, first this side and then this side. Okay, so now I'm going to stitch this lower side like this. Just keep sewing like this, so your simple knit shirt will be looking very beautiful. You have to be very careful when your round area is coming, so you need to press it like this and then sew it with the needle. So it will just hold the cloth and stay firm when you wear it. So when you are like starting to stitch from this round area, you need to be very careful because it will get stuck. Just hold the lace properly on the cloth like this and hold it from the back side like this and then start stitching. Okay guys, now I'm going to stitch this lace in front in straight line like this. As you can see, till here. From here I will fold it and stitch it again with needle. Okay, I will fold it from here too, so that it will not give a rough look. Okay people, start stitching from this side in straight line. Fold the lace. Fold the lace properly and attach it with the circle end. Keep stitching all over. Make it more stronger. When you are stitching in straight line, hold the shirt like this from back side, fold it till here and start stitching. Again, it will give you a nice firm hold. Okay guys, I want to show you the final look of the shirt with lace. I also want to show the trouser of this shirt. You can see the design and the dupatta, the shawl, white. Thank you so much for watching my video. like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.